Hi! Stop scrolling. This reflection is fake, but it looks real. And I made it in Canva, no Photoshop. Stay till the end because I'll show you one small mistake that ruins reflections instantly. Most Canva reflections look wrong, too sharp, too strong, too fake. But today, I'll show you a clean, professional method that works for product images, ads, thumbnails, and social media. Let's start. By the end of this video, you will know how to create a realistic reflection, how to fade it properly, how to blend it with water, glass, or floor. Now, duplicate this image, erase the bottom portion of the original image. Now for the second image, click Transparency, lower it to 15 to 25%, send it back, and group both images. Don't skip. Each step matters. First, select your image. Press Ctrl+D or Command+D. Now you have two copies. One is your original, one will become the reflection. Simple so far, but here's where people mess up. Now, duplicate this image, erase the bottom portion of the original image. Now for the second image, click Transparency, lower it to 15 to 25%, send it back, and group both images. Here is another example. Right now, your reflection looks fake. Why? Because reflections are never strong. Click Transparency. Lower it to 15 to 25%. Not more, not less. This one step alone makes a huge difference. But we're not done yet. Now ask yourself, is the surface water, glass, floor, mirror? Each surface behaves differently. Match your reflection to the surface. This detail makes people believe it. Here's the rule most people ignore. Reflections are weakest near the object, not strongest. So make sure the top of the reflection is softer. The bottom fades out completely. If your reflection is strong near the object, it will always look fake. Fix this, and your designs instantly level up. Here is another example. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't use 100% opacity, skip blur, forget gradient fade, copy and paste without adjusting perspective. These mistakes scream fake, and once you see them, you can't make them unseen. When to use this technique? Use this for product ads, perfume mock-ups, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, presentation slides. It adds depth, it adds realism, it adds quality, and it works beautifully in Canva. One final tip. Less reflection looks more realistic than more reflection, always. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe for more Canva design tutorials that actually look professional. Happy designing!